CMC Electronics is outperforming the limits. They have 120 years of experience, and for the last 50 years, CMC has been serving the defense market. Now they're showing off their optoelectronics commercial off-the-shelf platform.
Very high gain, high dynamic range, indium gallium arsenide avalanche photodiodes, fiber pigtailed for the OTDR, distribution, temperature sensing, acoustic sensing markets. Our platform of in-gas APD receivers labeled Detect, Defend, and Communicate, allowing us to detect threats sooner. We're also going to be launching very soon a Quadrant Detector, which should be very useful for laser warning systems, free space optics, beam alignment, or laser designator confirmation for the military world.
CMC's hybrid detectors are unique. By putting their elite APD with very low noise optimized electronics, you get the best of both worlds.
We like to say 1 + 1 = 3. We basically have one of the very best APDs. We work with photodiode manufacturers and we select the best ones for each applications. But for a lot of our hybrid receivers, we have an APD that gives us very high gain and very low excess noise, which allows us to go to further gains, further ranging effectively, but also have less risk of falling into Geiger mode and more dynamic range. We also have over 60 years of experience in analog electronics design. We manufacture from the ground up all of the hybrid thick film circuitry, which allows us to control the full stack, and we avoid a lot of the compromises people have to do when they just buy the APD and design their own electronics.
CMC's reliability, resolution, and sensitivity also extend to their hybrid receivers.
A hybrid receiver really combines a photodiode and all the first level stage electronics inside of a single package. That helps shield from the outside noise, minimizes all the parasitics, gives you effectively the best amplification of every photon detected. Customers end up with a product they can just plug and play. They don't need to change components on their own circuitry to make it work every single time, so the cost of ownership is oftentimes much lower.
Their in-gas quadrant pin receiver is able to manage larger detectors with electronics designed to compensate for more noise while producing a stable output level.
We've done a lot of work in quadrant pins over the years for very high-end military platforms, but we're bringing it to the market basically for laser warning systems, free space optics. The bottom line is that by doing this, we've shown that you can see twice as far, even if it's a pin with no gain. Just the impact of the electronics gives you extra range because you minimize the noise sources.
With decades of experience in optoelectronics, CMC has the experience and products to give you custom-tailored solutions.
We've passed extensive qualification efforts for the most stringent environments for military and other applications. People can use our parts and trust that they will work all the time. We're ready for any type of challenge that people want to throw at us because we've done incredible things. We can go further and push the limits on resolution, performance.
To learn more about their receivers and optoelectronic solutions, go to cmcelectronics.ca/optoelectronics.